Best Racing Game Wheels reviews help gamers choose responsive, realistic, and durable steering setups for immersive, competitive driving experiences. My today's video is about top 5 best racing game wheels review that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started, starting at Logitech G920 Driving Force Racing Wheel. The Logitech G920 Driving Force Racing Wheel delivers an incredibly realistic racing simulation experience for serious gamers. Designed for Xbox and PC platforms, it combines precision steering, immersive force feedback, and pressure-sensitive pedals to recreate the feel of driving a real performance car. The helical gearing system ensures smooth, quiet operation, while the hand-stitched leather wheel adds a premium touch that enhances comfort during long gaming sessions. Its 900-degree lock-to-lock rotation provides authentic steering control, especially in racing simulators and F1-style games. The non-linear brake pedal system feels responsive and natural, giving players better control during intense corners and braking zones. Adjustable pedal faces also help customize comfort and accuracy. Another standout feature is expandability, allowing users to upgrade with compatible shifters and racing mounts for a full cockpit setup. Additionally, Logitech's use of recycled plastic and carbon-neutral certification adds eco-friendly value. However, PlayStation users should note that the G920 is not fully compatible with PS consoles. Now our second product is Moza R3 Racing Simulator 4 PCS Wheel. The Moza R3 Direct Drive Racing Wheel Bundle is an outstanding entry-level direct drive setup that brings premium sim racing performance to PC gamers at an affordable price. This complete 4-in-1 package includes the R3 wheelbase, ES Lite steering wheel, SRP light pedals, and a sturdy table clamp, making it ideal for beginners entering the direct drive racing world. The compact R3 wheelbase features aviation-grade aluminum construction with an innovative X-shaped design that feels both durable and modern. Its 3.9 Nm direct drive servo motor delivers impressively smooth force feedback with minimal torque ripple, creating a highly immersive racing experience. Intelligent temperature control keeps performance stable during long sessions. The 11-inch ES Lite wheel feels comfortable and responsive thanks to its PU grips and aluminum alloy frame, while the 22 programmable buttons add convenience and realism. The SRP light pedals provide excellent durability and precision through Hall sensor technology, with adjustable positioning for personalized comfort. Moza's Pithouse software and cloud-based app also make tuning and customization extremely user-friendly. Our third product is PXN V9 Gen 2 Racing Wheel. The PXN Racing Steering Wheel is a versatile and budget-friendly racing setup designed for gamers who want immersive driving across multiple platforms. Compatible with PC, PS3, and Xbox consoles, it handles everything from arcade racers like Forza Horizon 5 to detailed simulators such as Euro Truck Simulator 2 with ease. One of its standout features is the dual PC mode system. X input mode offers instant plug-and-play convenience, while D input mode allows deeper button customization for simulation enthusiasts. The wheel also includes dual vibration motors that add realistic road feedback and collision effects, making gameplay more engaging. The included 6+1 shifter feels surprisingly authentic, especially with the press-down reverse gear function. Hall effect pedals provide accurate throttle and braking response with reliable long-term performance. Switching between 270 degrees and 900 degrees steering rotation lets players quickly adapt between fast-paced racing and realistic trucking simulations. Its compact setup, foldable pedals, and app-based customization for RGB lighting and controls make it an excellent all-around option for casual and beginner sim racers. Now number 4, PXN V3 Pro Gaming Steering Wheel. The PXN Racing Steering Wheel is a highly versatile, beginner-friendly racing solution built for gamers who want broad compatibility and immersive driving without complex setup. Supporting PC, PS4, PS3, Xbox One, Xbox Series X, and Switch, it delivers seamless plug-and-play performance across major racing titles like Forza Horizon, Need for Speed, Gran Turismo, Dirt, F1, and Project Cars. Its dual-motor vibration system enhances realism by simulating road textures, braking force, collisions, and sharp turns, making gameplay more engaging for casual and entry-level sim racers. The integrated sequential shifter and paddle shifters provide flexible gear control, allowing smooth transitions between relaxed driving and competitive racing. The foldable pedal unit is compact yet responsive, offering accurate throttle and braking control while saving space. Secure mounting with suction cups and a C-clamp ensures stability during intense gameplay sessions. Designed with a 10.24-inch ergonomic, anti-slip wheel, it delivers comfort during long sessions, making it an excellent all-in-one option for newcomers seeking an affordable and immersive racing experience across multiple platforms. And our last choice is Thrustmaster T98 Racing Wheel. The Ferrari 296 GTB-inspired racing wheel set delivers a true-to-life Ferrari driving experience designed for both beginners and casual sim racing fans. Inspired by the Ferrari 296 GTB, the 10-inch steering wheel with integrated paddle shifters offers a far more immersive feel than a standard controller, bringing authentic racing energy directly into your setup. Its bungee cord technology provides smooth resistance and automatic centering, helping maintain stability and precision through corners. The 240 degrees rotation range ensures more controlled steering inputs, allowing cleaner racing lines and improved handling in casual and semi-sim gameplay. A standout feature is the Ferrari-style Manettino selector, which lets users switch between 3 driving profiles, making it adaptable for both new players and more experienced drivers. The plug-and-play design with a tool-free clamp system ensures quick setup on desks up to 1.8 inches thick, making it highly convenient for home use. With Hall effect sensor pedals included, the system delivers consistent throttle and braking response, making it a well-balanced, accessible racing wheel for PC and Xbox users seeking an authentic yet easy driving experience. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.